matadors.
To come as Rip Slinger comes back out of that. Here comes Dusty to show you what he can do. This is the outside loop. Dusty, playing with high hopes, a crop duster by trade, the single prop plane sees himself soaring alongside his high-flying heroes in an international race. The fact that he's not really built for competitive racing doesn't deter him at all. But his fear of heights just might stop him. With a little help from his friends and the World War II veteran with distance to spare, Dusty takes off an adventure of a lifetime, going prop to prop with champions while daring to reach heights never imagined possible. Here's the inside-outside loop coming up. One of them pulling positive, the other one pushing really hard. One's got all the blood going to his feet, the other one all the blood to his head. Pushing the extremes. There, coming in tight. With 4 wins that he can count, Rip Slinger is a wings down the biggest name in air racing, and he knows it. The world champion doesn't play fair, especially when it comes to a small town plane with zero racing experience. Dusty's mere presence makes the pros fuel boil. Dusty's inexperience doesn't take him out of the race. Rip Slinger's underhanded sidekick will try and take care of the business. Dusty and Rip Slinger coming to the end of their sequence now. We hope you've been enjoying this. You can catch up now. You can visit the stand immediately afterwards. Get the news tonight of the premiere of the display planes movie in London. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching Dusty and Rip Slinger from Disney Planes and the Matadors, Steve Jones and Paul Bonner. That was an absolutely amazing display and a great competitive spirit between Team Dusty and Team Rip Slinger. I feel that movie is going to be a great success. So you can find out more about it. We hope to be meeting and interviewing members of the
That was the end. That was a really good video.
This here today at Eastbourne. You have just seen the premiere performance